Alright guys, I know some of you guys may be panicking right now when you invest into Rolls-Royce. It is okay, but let me tell you, I'm more than excited ever in Rolls-Royce right now. As a matter of fact, I even put more money buying more share into Rolls-Royce. Did you guys notice something? Rolls-Royce right now is at $1.39 to $1.40. It is the cheapest price for the last 100 years, guys. And let me tell you why I'm so excited into Rolls-Royce. Think about that for a moment. 10 years ago, nobody saw the big potential of the EV market, electric car. Elon Musk was the only guy who revolutionized the EV market industry. So imagine if you position yourself 10 years ago in the EV industry, you're probably gonna be very wealthy by now. And think about this, Elon Musk, he put a lot of time develop SpaceX. And as a matter of fact, he's gonna put his whole entire fortune into SpaceX. Think about that. SpaceX is the future. That is space travel, it's aerospace. Rolls-Royce is the company right now is in the forefront to develop the engine for aerospace. As a matter of fact, they already partnered up with Virgin Galactic to make the airplane fly faster. Rolls-Royce is the engine for all the airplanes, Boeing, Airbus, and on top of this, Rolls-Royce positioned themselves for the future in the aerospace market, okay? And right now, Rolls-Royce, they're making an engine right now. It's called nuclear thermal propulsion engine. The idea of that thing is help to make the airplane fly faster. It helps to get the rocket fly to the space, cut the time from 1 year into 3 months. That is crazy. I saw a huge potential of Rolls-Royce can partner up with SpaceX. Why? Because they already partnered with Virgin Galactic already. It doesn't make any sense if SpaceX doesn't partner up with them. That's where the future is. Let me give you a couple big catalysts and why Rolls-Royce right now going down. Number one, their business model right now is they depend on airplane travel. And right now, everything is locked down, right? UK is locked down, the whole entire world is locked down, international travel is locked down. As a matter of fact, Joe Biden, he just put a travel restriction. That's the reason why the share is going down. So many traders right now in the marketplace, they are short-term sighted, no offense. They're looking to make quick cash. But when you are a long-term investor, you're looking for opportunity like this. When the market share going down and the fundamental of Rolls-Royce didn't change, that is a buying opportunity. I'm telling you guys, space travel, it is not the cannabis. Cannabis in the future is good. A lot of market in the future, it could be good. But I'm telling you, the biggest industry in the future is space travel, guys. That is the biggest I see where the future is going. And SpaceX, the #1 biggest guy in the world, he saw where the future is and he invests into space. Rolls-Royce is the forefront. And when travel is lifted, when travel, international, domestic travel, go back to normal, that's the #1 biggest catalyst for Rolls-Royce. Their share will double. The next thing is, when space travel become the mainstream for the Wall Street, guess what happened? Pretty sure Rolls-Royce share would triple to 4 times, 5 times, 5x. The next thing is, if all investors put Rolls-Royce into their ETF, and I see that possible, I see that happening, because they already created the ETF for Virgin Galactic, for others company for space travel, and I see Rolls-Royce could possible into all invest. And when all the catalysts happen, SpaceX partner up with them. Space travel is the future. Wall Street talk about them, and on top of that, SpaceX partner up with them. All invest, put Rolls-Royce into their ETF. I'm telling you, Rolls-Royce in the next 3 to 5 years, it could possibly go to $30 per share. And now is the best time. I do not see Rolls-Royce can go bankruptcy because they are the backbone of the government. They have the contract with the US, they have the contract with the UK, and they are the biggest supplier in the world. All right, guys, hope that is helpful. Stay positive. Don't be panicked. This is the buying opportunity, and I'm powering more into Rolls-Royce. And again, always invest with your own risk. Invest the money that you can afford to lose. But I strongly believe into Rolls-Royce, and that is the future of space travel.